Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: Android Studio, SDK components, and hardware virtualization. Once done, enable CPU virtualization in BIOS or UEFI. This is critical for speed. Then install the appropriate hypervisor. Intel Haxum on Intel chips or the Android Emulator hypervisor driver on AMD. Without it, the emulator is unacceptably slow. Finally, open AVD Manager and choose Create Virtual Device. Select a realistic phone profile and prefer x86 or x86-64 system images. Next, you configure the AVD with practical settings that enable reliable testing. Choose an x86 system image matching your target API. Google Play images are useful if you need Play services. Make sure graphics is set to hardware GLES 2, 0 or host GPU, and allocate sensible RAM and VM heap so the emulator doesn't thrash. Enable quick boot snapshots for faster launch times. When configured, save and press play. Or run your app from Android Studio and pick this AVD as the deployment target. Your app will install and start automatically. To finish, deploy your app using Run or Debug and watch Logcat for errors while using Device File Explorer to inspect files. If the emulator behaves oddly, choose Cold Boot or Wipe Data to remove a corrupted snapshot. That often resolves launch failures. Make sure to update the Android emulator and your GPU drivers and verify virtualization remains enabled. Reinstall the emulator hypervisor driver if necessary. If graphics glitches persist, switch graphics mode to software temporarily to confirm a driver-related issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.